హోల్డ్ చేయండి మేడం.
ఓకే
ఒకసారి చూడండి మేడం. ఓకే 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 మేడం, లుక్ హియర్. ఒక్కసారి మేడం ఒక్కసారి ఫోటో చూడండి, ఒకటే చేసి
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను ఇక్కడే వచ్చాను బర్కాస్ 25th అవుట్లెట్ లాంచ్ చేయడానికి. అండ్ I would like to congratulate Gautam and Sandeep for 25 outlets. One of the best things ever since I've come to Hyderabad I've loved is Mandi, and it gives me great joy and great pleasure to be launching this restaurant, because this is the kind of restaurant I would go with my family or my friends for a meal, for a dinner. I'm wishing you guys huge success, and I cannot wait to try the food next. Anything edible is good for me.
Mutton biryani, chicken biryani,
Chicken.
chicken biryani.
In Mondays?
Mandi, nobody eats chicken, only mutton.
There is mixed Mandi also. No?
Yeah.
I have not eaten that.
Okay.
I don't like mixing meats.
Okay.
So either eat chicken or eat meat. So if I'm eating mandi or ran, then I stick to mutton. Everything else is chicken. So there is a Tamil film that is releasing this year end. One of my Telugu films is releasing in November, and another OTT series is releasing, I think, sometime this year. New, I still have to take up.
Kumari 21F, ఎలా ఉంది ఫీలింగ్?
అయిపోయింది.
Namaste one and all. Thanks for visiting our 25th branch, which is open today at Kukatpalli, and this is the second branch in Hyderabad. And Pan India we have 25 outlets, and this is the 25th branch. We have outlets all over Andhra. In Hyderabad this is the second one. We have 3 in Lucknow. We have 2 in Kolkata, 2 in Bangalore, 2 in Vizag, Nellore, Ongole. So అన్ని ప్లేసెస్లో ఉందండి. And this has started in the year 2016, and within 7 years span we are so happy that we have launched 25 outlets. The best part of Barkas is that we maintain the same recipe all across all the formats andi. So meer Vizag lo tinna, Hyderabad lo tinna, Bangalore lo tinna, ekkada tinna same recipe untundi, and we centrally procure masalas from one place and distribute it to all other places. Our variety is that